everyone, Rovina Fernandez here. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm going to share with you a dessert very close to my heart, that is Ginnu, which is also called as Junnu, Kharvas or Posu. This is prepared from the lactating cow's milk, that is the colostrum milk. For better results, you need to use the first day's milk since it is thicker. This milk is not available everywhere, so you can buy the milk powder that is available online, for which the link is mentioned in the description box. If you like my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching Spices and Aromas.
Let's start the preparation for Ginnu. First, I'll be taking a mixing bowl and added 3 cups of colostrum milk. To this, I will be adding 3 cups of thick coconut milk. You can also substitute coconut milk to normal milk. Add 1 cup of jaggery. Here, if you wish to have more sweetness, then you can add more jaggery. Or if you do not like very sweet, you can even lessen the quantity of jaggery. So once you finish the mixing, just taste it. Strain the mixture into the bowl that you are going to prepare Ginnu. You do not have to grease it. Top it with pepper powder, cardamom powder and nutmeg powder. Place it into a steaming pot or the idli cooker and close the lid so that the steam doesn't enter the cooking bowl. After 30 minutes, open the bowl. The Kharvas, Ginnu or Junnu is ready. Before you could topple it, just release the sides and then cut it into desired shape, or even you can topple it and then serve it. Thank you so much for watching my video.